Hey, this is Cindy from Cynthia's Boutique. We're talking about traveling from cold climate to a warmer climate, and sometimes it's not so warm in the warm climate if you're not below the frost level, so you have to take that into account. Now, going from a cold climate, you have to dress in your heaviest pieces, and you're going to come back and it's going to be cold and snowy, so those heavy pieces you're going to wear on the plane, and you're going to do layers. Layers are great because you can take this off if it gets really hot. The sweater can come off. You can get everything for 2 weeks in your bag that goes under your seat. Like me, I'm going to show you now, to get at least 20, 25 outfits. So here we go. This is my bag. It fits right under the seat of an airplane. And I've got my boots on because I'm coming back. Sometimes I wear boots that you could also wear in Florida. I have my little flat bag that then I take out and I can use. Okay, we need our brushes. Here's the poncho. This poncho you can wear as a scarf. You can just wear it over your shoulders. You can wear it to bring a spot of color. Here, we're showing navy because navy is huge year-round, and for 2019, navy is the color. I've chosen pink instead of the blue just to spice up some color in my life. Okay, underwear. We all have to have the underwear. Now, I take 2 pairs of ex officio that we sell at Cynthia's Boutique. You wash them out in the sink. They dry in just a few hours. They're just great. They wick moisture, even if you're going hiking. Here you'll see I have my French terry sweatshirt because, again, it gets cold. I was in Florida and I actually needed a winter coat. Here we have this jacket. You can wear it with the dress. We have it separated up here, and we have it with the navy jacket. You can wear them together. You can wear this over your bathing suit. We have the dress. Here's the dress that we have with the navy jersey knit jacket. Ladies, we have the jersey knit navy jacket. Can I even show that? Yes, right there it is. And we have the little tank top. I thought this was the pants. Tank top, and we have the pants. We have an extra pair of shoes. Maybe you're going to wear tennis shoes. Maybe you're going to run. You can always pack something light and breezy that you can actually exercise in. Here we have your toothbrush, all your pieces and parts that you need for makeup. And then here I even have little curlers and some extra pieces in here. And of course, pajamas. So to show you, you can make so many mixed and match outfits out of these pieces that you could go for weeks. And the nice thing about jersey knit is you roll it up, it doesn't take up very much room at all. You can put a pair of blue jeans in, or your leggings. They take up very little space. And you can mix and match any colors that you might want. Let's say that you want to go with maybe more of a mustard with the navy. You know, something that has bright colors, French terry. Your blue jeans and pink. Pink and blue jean instead of your lime. And here's the French terry with a little hood. You could do that instead of the white. Or what you could do is just all the navy, bring in your turquoise pieces, a little scarf that pulls the colors together, or maybe is a little brighter. I like to do a contrast. I would even bring hot pink with this. Just a little bag of jewelry, and you're set to go. If you're going on a longer trip, and you know that they're not going to say, oh, you can only take one bag on, this would be my bag for under the seat, and then I would unfold this. I put my little crossbody purse in here that I use as a wallet. And I also put all my essentials, any medicine you have, your glasses, and your contact lens solution. Usually I have that in a little bag here. When I take this bag, or I'll take a big bag with my little crossbody in here as a wallet and take my carry-on. So just to show you, this is much smaller than those little roll-ons. If we could get all of this in this bag, just think how we could help you pack your roll-on bag. Thanks for checking out Cynthia's boutique, and let us know if you need help coordinating your outfits for travel.